Hi, I'm Lisa DeBusk, Regional Sales Manager with SourceMark. I'm excited to come to work each day to assist our customers with all their needs, as well as finding new opportunities for hospitals and surgery centers to utilize our products that offer significant savings. I spent the majority of my career in customer service, and I hope to use these skills along with my positive outlook and driven mentality to continue SourceMark's success in a very competitive industry. Outside of work, I enjoy all things related to the University of Tennessee, as I am an alumna of the University of Tennessee with a degree in public relations. Since graduating from there, I have worked extensively with the Nashville Area Alumni Association in a variety of capacities, including being president of the board. I currently am a member of the Board of Governors for the University of Tennessee National Alumni Association. I also enjoy spending time with my family and friends and traveling, especially to places that I haven't been, or to attend a concert or sporting event. I've been to 43 of the 50 states and several national parks. I'm looking forward to planning my next adventure.